What is ArtCam Express? Well, it's our entry-level package for routing and engraving. It has the same interface as our full 3D package ArtCam Pro, which makes it an excellent stepping stone to grow naturally with your business. So it's the first line of the ArtCam family of products. With ArtCam Express, we can create stunning designs on screen, so we can create our own unique artwork totally within the software. We can also import existing sketches from other CAD packages, or if we want, we can use our ArtCam clip art library in order to start with as the designing portion. And we also have the ability to bring in web images, photographs, or scan images. We can bring in standard image formats that support bitmap, JPEG, TIFF, AI, GIF, so lots of different options as far as getting your design into the software. Once we've got the design into the software, the next key thing obviously is the manufacturing stage. So we've put together what we feel to be a feature-rich product which has all the tools and the functionality required to easily manufacture your part. It has a quick and simple interface, inbuilt help and explanations that will guide you through the machining process so that you can easily go from your art to part process. Now you might be wondering what happened to the Insignia E package. Well, Insignia E was originally our entry-level product, but we found that in order to keep up and meet the demands of the changing market, that we should create a more feature-rich product. So we did this with the ArtCam Express. So ArtCam Express is a much more powerful entry-level program that will help our customers produce their parts in a much shorter time with a lot more control. Some key differentiators between ArtCam Express and Insignia E. For starters, we have the bitmap tools. So this is something that was not previously available, the ability to paint and flood fill and vector trace so that we can rasterize images. This is available in the Express version. We also have tools like the Vector Doctor available to help check and fix problem vectors that you import into the software. We have more vector editing and creation tools, and examples of this would be the vector slicing, paste along a curve tools. And we also have the ability to import various 3D model formats. So this is one key differentiator between the Insignia and the Express versus the Pro in the past, is that we didn't have the ability to work with 3D parts. We now have that option. You can bring in various file formats from solids and surfaces and triangle meshes. Those can be brought into Express, and then you can set up machining on these parts. A few other key differences between the two products. We have a clip art library. So the clip art library that has over 400 reliefs that come standard with ArtCam Pro is now available in the Insignia as well as the Express product. We have a milling wizard that's set up to take your imported 3D files and quickly generate roughing and finishing toolpaths on them. There's a toolpath simulation for a verification to check your part before you send it off to the machine. We also have the ability to take an image and produce a 3D relief or a texture from that image. In previous versions, we were only able to V-carve certain types of text. So with the Insignia E, you could only V-carve certain types of font. We now have opened that up and you can V-carve any closed vector shape or text. We have an inlay wizard in the Express version, and we also have a printable toolpath summary. Now there are more key things that are available in the Express over and above the Insignia E, but I just thought I would touch on a few of the key ones just so that you can see the difference between the products. Now the ArtCam Express product is sold online, so if you go to the main artcam.com website, you'll see links to the Express product. It's sold for $1,200. When somebody purchases the product, they'll get an Express DVD kit, which contains an executable CD, an install for the program. It'll contain a dongle key, and it'll contain a user guide to kind of get people started with the product. Now the nice thing about Express is the CD that comes with it is the standard executable for all programs. So if somebody chooses to upgrade to Insignia or even to ArtCam Pro, they shouldn't need a new CD. All they should need is a new license file, which will grant them access to the higher level product.